Hi friends, welcome to Easy Smoky Eye Look. I'm Holly Carter. I've been in skincare for 27 years and I'm here to help busy women look and feel more confident inside and out without expensive treatments and procedures. So today we're going to do an easy smoky eye. I love smoky eye. One of the things I love about it is can be so dramatic, and it's a great look if you're going to a special occasion. Oh, by the way, please hit the subscribe button and share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you never miss one of my videos. I drop videos usually on Thursdays. Okay, back to smoky eye. So what I love about the smoky eye is, like I said, it's dramatic, and the great thing is it doesn't have to be like black. You know, you can use all different shades. You can use green or purple or navy or gold or gray, whatever you want to create that smoky eye. And so I'm gonna kind of go, I've got like sort of nude makeup on today. I've got lipstick and lip gloss, and I've got a rosy nude blush. And so what I'm gonna do is create a look with these three shades here. Okay, this is gonna be my base, this is gold, and then obviously this is black. And so I'm gonna get started with the lightest shade, and I'm just gonna put it as a base. And I've already put concealer, a little bit of concealer on this eye. I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer to this eye. I've also primed my eyes previously, which helps keep your eyeshadow on and helps keep it from creasing. And the concealer just sort of evens out the skin tone on your eyelid. So if you have some spots that are super dark on your eyelids, just put a little concealer on there. It doesn't have to be all over. Just put it in, you know, in that spot and help even it out a little bit. Okay, I've already got some mascara and eyeliner on. I might add some more when I'm done, but okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to grab my all over eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna take that light shade, and I'm just gonna kind of create a base with it, and maybe put a little bit in the corner on both eyes. Obviously on both eyes, you're not gonna just do one. Okay, now I'm going to grab my gold, and the gold's right here in the middle. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. And I'm gonna bring it up a little higher too, like on my brow bone. And sometimes another thing you can do is use your finger, because it will create a little more dramatic effect. So I've got some on my finger, and sometimes it tends to show up. You haven't muted it out so much. Another thing you can use is liquid eyeshadow. You can use a combination of liquid eyeshadow and regular powder eyeshadow. It doesn't have to be all powder. Liquid eyeshadow can obviously add a little bit of intensity to it. It's super easy. You can use your fingers to spread it on, and it just adds a great pop. Okay, so I'm gonna grab another brush, and I'm going to dip it into the black. And now remember, wherever you put the first, put your brush first is gonna be very intense. So I'm gonna kind of stick it close to the corner, and the key is blending. You know, you want it to be dramatic, and since I have hooded eyes, I'm gonna make it come up higher on my lid, and I'm gonna kind of do a wedge at the corner. And then just keep blending it and blending it until you get the intensity that you want. And with black, obviously it doesn't take a lot of product. Sometimes if you have a very pigmented, which I do, sometimes I tap it off. I dip it in the eyeshadow, and then I tap it on my sink. And you can see. And then we're gonna do it to the other side. I love to wear this combination to special occasions, weddings and special nights out. it's just classic and it's easy. And you really only need the 2 colors. You don't need, you know, several colors. Okay. Now I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, that's a blending brush, and I'm gonna blend that in really good. Now you can make this more intense. And then the other thing you can do is take some of that black shadow with a brush and go underneath your lash line. And it's good to have like a smudged look. You know, it's very dramatic. And the good thing is, if you mess up, you can just use your eye makeup remover and fix it. Okay. So, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more mascara. You can also wear false eyelashes. That really adds a really great dramatic look. And also remember that when you are going to a special event and they're taking photos, you probably want to wear more makeup than you're used to, because the camera can sort of make you look washed out. And so whenever I'm going to a special event, I add more contour and I add more colors, more makeup, and make it more intense, because then when I see myself in the picture, I don't look so washed out. It actually looks like I have makeup on. Okay, there we go. Like, that was easy. Just follow it up with a nude lip and you don't need much else than that. So again, hit the subscribe button and I hope to see you guys next week. Thanks so much.